How are you? I hope you all very fine, very active and very safe at home with parents. We know that it is a very critical situation and we are passing through these situations. We are facing such a big problems, call it COVID-19, but no any situation, no any condition, no any problems can stop us from our study. I have already told you that if you have mobile at home with internet connection means that entire world in a one bowl, means you can get all the knowledge, you get education without going at college or school, at home only. So my dear students, it is our duty to learn in any case, because if we are lazy, then it means that we spoil our study. Here I am Shailesh S. Patel from Sri Umayya Mahila Arts and Commerce College, Lathidar, conducted by MK Bhavnagar University. Here you can also see the name of the channel made by me is the Mount King English class, the gateway of learning. On these channels you can see, you can listen, you can get the answer of your questions and solutions about your subject. The students who have taken English as a principal subjects, or the students who have their own compulsory English, as well as the students in a commerce with communication subjects, you can find all your lectures on this channel. My dear students, it is a very big problem, but we have to be so conscious to achieve our study in any case. So I like one Gujarati proverb. It says that विपत पड़े न वलखे वलखे विपत न जाए, विपत पड़े न वलखे वलखे विपत न जाए, विपत पड़े उद्यम कीजिए उद्यम विपत ने खाए. Here Vipat and Uddham both are very important factors. Vipat is a problem, is one kind of a big critical situations. So my dear students, Uddham means hard work. We have to have hard work. If we don't do hard work, if we are not do perseverance, then no any God will help us to achieve our goal. So it is our own duty to achieve our goal, to learn at home. So dear students, from today means it is our first lecture, and after that we will study our regular session, regular lectures of subjects. First of all, you have to have the knowledge of your syllabus given by MK Bhavnagar University. So here you can see your syllabus first. Knowing syllabus, you will start, or you can also write down that syllabus and you will start your study at home. Now our next lecture after knowing syllabus. Okay. Now look at the syllabus is given by Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh Ji, Bhavnagar University. You can also see the academic year 2020-2021 at the right side. Means it is the latest syllabus given by the university. So you cannot use any old material or text of last BSM1 student. This syllabus of first year BSM1 and the name of the paper or subject is compulsory English. Means the student who have selected English as a compulsory, they should write down this syllabus in the notebook, or the student of main English. But the student who have selected Gujarati as a compulsory, they need not write it. જે વિદ્યાર્થીએ ઇંગ્લિશને પોતાના કમ્પલસરી વિષય તરીકે પસંદગી આપેલ છે યા તો પસંદ કરેલ છે, તે વિદ્યાર્થીએ આ સિલેબસ અચૂક નોટબુકમાં લખી લેવો. પરંતુ જે વિદ્યાર્થીએ ગુજરાતી વિષયને પોતાના કમ્પલસરી વિષય તરીકે પસંદ કરેલ છે, તે વિદ્યાર્થીએ આ સિલેબસ લખવાની જરૂર નથી. યુ કેન ઓલ્સો સી ધ ટોટલ માર્ક્સ ઓફ ધ પેપર ઇઝ 100 એન્ડ ધ નેમ ઓફ ધ ટેક્સ્ટ ઇઝ, બુકનું નામ છે લિટરરી પિનેકલ્સ એન એન્થોલોજી ઓફ પ્રોઝ એન્ડ પોએટ્રી બાય ઓરિયન બ્લેક સ્વાન. યુનિવર્સિટી હેઝ ગિવન ટોટલ 4 યુનિટ્સ. અહીંયા તમને ટોટલ 4 યુનિટ્સ આપવામાં આવ્યા છે યુનિવર્સિટી દ્વારા. In first unit there are 3 topics. Name is Uncle Poacher hangs a picture. Second, how wealth accumulated and men decay. Third, transformation of sentences. This unit carries 18 marks. In second unit, a retrieve of reformation. How much a land does a man need? An introduction to communication skills. This unit also carries 18 marks. In third unit there are 2 poems. All the World's a Stage. And second, La Belle Dame Sans Merci. It carries 17 marks. And unit 4 there are 2 poems. The Charge of the Light Brigade and How Do I Love Thee. This unit also carries 17 marks. Now you will achieve 70 marks from the university external examination, yani university exam, and 30 marks you will achieve from the college. Means in the college there is an internal assessment will be taken. જે કોલેજ તરફથી લેવામાં આવતી પરીક્ષા માંથી તમે 15 માર્ક્સ, અસાઇનમેન્ટ એન્ડ પ્રેઝન્ટેશનમાંથી 10 and સેમિનારમાંથી 5 marks you will achieve. Okay, now total marks are 100 you will achieve in this paper. Now you can also see the reference book given at the last year. If you want any additional reading you will or you can buy these books. Okay, now look at the student of main English, means the student who have selected English as their principal subject. It is also called core course English. Dear student, here you can see the name of the subject or paper is a study of novel and play. Prescribed text means the text which we will have to study is David Copperfield, written by Charles Dickens and published by Orient Black Swan, New Delhi, 2013. Second textbook name is Pygmalion, G.B. Shaw, Bernard Shaw, published by Orient Black Swan. These both books you will purchase or have it with you. Now look at this paper also carry the 100 marks which given here. There are also 4 units. First units of David Copperfield and both unit carries 18 marks. Last 2 unit and unit number 3 and unit number 4 of Pygmalion which carries 70 marks. Now total 70 marks you will achieve from university examination and 30 marks will be given by the college in internal assessment. Test 15 marks, assignment 10 marks and seminar 5 marks. Now total 30 marks. Now there are 100 marks you will get from this paper. You can also see the reference books for additional reading if you want any extra reading. Now paper number 2 and the name of the subject is a study of poetry. Prescribed text The Winged Bird by David Green, publication is Macmillan. Total marks of this paper is 100. In this paper you have to study total 4 units and each unit has 3 poems. Now 12 poems you have to study in this paper. In first unit there are 3 poems. My friends, the things that do attain. Second, since there is no help. And third, fear no more the heat of the sun. In second unit, virtue, prayer before birth and ode on solitude. This both unit carry 18 marks. And third unit, a red rose and 3 years she grew. And third is when we two parted. Fourth unit has 3 poems, break, break, break and when I was 1 and 20. And third poem is cities and thorns and powers. This unit also carries 17. Now total 70 marks you will achieve from university examination, and 30 marks will be given by the college in internal assessment. 15 marks from the test of the college, 10 marks from the assignment, and 0.5 marks from the seminar. There are also in this paper reference books given at the last. As usual, you may purchase it or not. Okay, thank you. This is the syllabus of first year BA Sem 1 student English. You should write down this syllabus in the notebook, and we'll have further study in the next lecture. Thank you. Now see the syllabus of second year BS semester 3. The academic year 2019-2020 means it is an old syllabus of last year. You can also see the name of the paper or subject here, compulsory English 3 for all the students of economics, sociology and English, those who have selected English as a compulsory. Total marks of the paper 100. 70 marks you will achieve in university examinations, semester and examination, and 30 marks will be given by the college continuous internal evaluation in the college. There are two texts given here, one Mask, one act play by D.S. Maini, published by Macmillan. Second is Contemporary English Grammar, Structures and Composition by David Green. There is also a detail of the units given here. First unit, The Proposal by Anton Chekhov. It is a one act play. It carries 18 marks. Second, The Boys Comes Home by A.A. Milne. It carries 18 marks. Third is a grammatical part where you can see precise writing and vocabulary, synonym, antonym, word often confused. It carries 17 marks. Unit number 4 is the writing portions where you can see press release on college activity, means the activities are done in college. You have to write down a press report. Second, natural calamities like earthquake, flood, cyclone, etc. and accidents report, and vocabulary, prefix and suffix. It carries 70 marks. Now 70 marks total you will get in the university exam. 30 marks will be given by the college internal evaluation. Test 15 marks. Assignment, when you will submit, you will achieve 10 marks. Seminar 5 marks. Here you can also see the reference books given by the university for additional reading. Now look at the student of English, means the student whose principal subject is English. They should write down these 3 papers here in the notebook. The name of this paper is The History of English Literature 1. The total marks of the paper 100. 70 marks you will achieve in university examination, and 30 marks will be given by the college in internal evaluation. Prescribed text is The History of English Literature by William J. Long. Detail of the unit are here, which you have to write in the notebook. Unit number 1st and unit number 2nd is the Elizabethan age, and detail of Elizabethan age given in the box only. These both units are carrying 18 marks. Unit number 3 is the Puritan age. It carries 17 marks. Unit number 4, the Restoration age and the 18th century literature. It carries 17 marks. Now total 70 marks will be given by the university, and 30 marks here you will achieve in the college internal evaluation. 15 marks from the test, 10 marks when you will submit the assignment, and 5 marks in the seminar. You can also see the reference books given here at last for additional reading. Now second paper of main English is a study of drama and poetry. Here you can see the title of the paper, a study of drama and poetry. Total marks 100, 70 will be given by university and 30 will be given by the college. Prescribed texts are Othello by William Shakespeare, and second Winged Bird by David Green. Detail of 4 units are here. In the first unit and the second unit both have the play Othello here by Shakespeare, and both units are carrying 18 marks. In the third unit and fourth unit you can see poems, 3 poems in third unit and 3 poems in fourth unit. From the Amoreti, Edmund Spenser, to his coy mistress, Andrew Marvell, Ode on Solitude by Alexander Pope, 17 marks. Prayer Before Birth, Louis Acnais, The Blessed Damozel, D.Z. Rossetti, When We Two Parted by Lord Byron, 17 marks, means 70 marks will be given by the university. Here in the small table you can see 30 marks will be given by the college in internal evaluation. 15 from the test, 10 marks after submitting assignment, and 5 marks you will get from the seminar. There are some reference books given by the university for additional reading here. Okay, now third paper of main English or principal English or core course is a study of literature form 1. Here you can see the title of the paper, a study of literature form 1, as above. 100 marks of total of this paper, 70 by the university and 30 by the college given to you. Prescribed text is English Literature, an introduction for foreign readers by R.J. Rees. There are detail of 4 units given here. In the first unit you can see why we study the literature, means here you have to give your opinion or views why we study literature. What is the purpose behind to study the literature? It carries 18 marks. In second unit, ballad, epic and other narrative poetry. These all are the types of poetry. It carries 18 marks. Third unit, tragic drama, means there are few types of drama we have to have learned. First, comic drama is there and tragic drama is there, but here we have to study what is tragic drama and how the tragic drama is different from the other form of the literature. The third unit carries 70 marks. In the fourth unit you can see lyrical and reflective poetry. Here the types of poetry, lyrical and reflective, you have to study. And the novel, means here you have to know the nature of the novel and how the novel is written. Unit number 4 also carries 70 marks. Now total 70 marks will be given by the university and 30 marks will be given in college evaluation. 15 marks from the test, 10 marks when you submit the assignment and 5 marks in the seminar. You can also see the reference books given here. Okay, now my dear student of English as well as the economics, Gujarati and sociology, you have to write down this syllabus in your notebook so that you can easily operate whenever you need. Okay, thank you. Now see the syllabus of third year BA semester 5 year. It is an old syllabus of last year. So total unit of the paper is 4. You can see the title of or name of the paper here, compulsory English 5. For all students of economics, sociology and English, those who have selected English as a compulsory, they should write down this syllabus in the notebook so you can easily operate whenever you need. Prescribed text, learning English, a communicative approach by Orion Black Swan. Total marks of the paper 100. Total unit of the paper 4. And detail of the each unit is, in the first unit you can see the astronomy, our picture of the universe, and health and medicine, save your liver. There are two big concept given in the unit. It carries 18 marks. In second unit you can see information technology, a very short history of computer ethics you have to study in this unit. It carries 18 marks. Unit number 3, travels and transport, the climb to Annapurna. It carries 17 marks. And fourth, humor, the gold frame. It carries 70 marks. Means 70 marks you will get in the university examination, and 30 marks will be given by the college evaluation, means internal evaluation. 15 marks in the test you will get in the college. 10 marks when you will submit your assignment in the college, you will get 10 marks. 5 marks from the seminar. You can also see the reference books given by the university for additional reading here. This paper is a general paper for all subjects student of economics, sociology and English. Means the students who have selected English as a compulsory, please write down this syllabus in the notebook so that you can easily operate whenever you need. Okay, now look at the student of English, means the students who have selected English as their principal or core subject should write down this paper in the notebook. The first paper name or subject name is a study of English literature 1. Prescribed texts are Far from the Madding Crowd by Thomas Hardy, and second, Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. Total marks of the paper 100. There are 4 units. In the first unit you can see a study of the writer Thomas Hardy, Far from the Madding Crowd. It carries 18 marks. And in the second unit, Far from the Madding Crowd novel is given in this unit. It carries 18 marks. In the third unit, a study of the writer Joseph Conrad, Heart of Darkness. It carries 70 marks. And unit 4, Heart of Darkness itself, a novel, it carries 17 marks. Now total 70 marks you will achieve in the university exam, and 30 marks will be given by the college in internal evaluation. 15 marks from the test, 10 marks when you submit the assignment, and 5 marks you will achieve in seminar. You can also see the reference books given here. Now next paper for the student of main English is Indian writing in English. You can see the name of the subject or paper here, a study of Indian writing in English. Total marks 100. Prescribed text, Indian writing in English, Iyengar, KRS, Sterling, publication, New Delhi 2007. Total units are 4. In the first unit you can see an introduction to Indian writing in English, the Renaissance in India. It carries 18 marks. Second, drama, Indian writing, 18 marks. Third unit, the novel, 17 marks. And fourth unit, the new poets, 17 marks. Now total 70 marks you will achieve or get in the university examination. 30 marks in the college evaluation, continuous evaluation, 15 marks from the test, 10 marks from the assignment, and 5 marks from the seminar. Here is a reference book or books given by the university for additional reading. Next paper name is A Study of American Literature. Prescribed text, The Bluest Eye by Toni Morrison. Second is The Harry Ebb by Eugene O'Neill. Foreplay by Eugene O'Neill's Arthur Gelb and Barbara Gelb. Total marks 100. There are 4 units. In the first unit, a study of the writer Toni Morrison, The Bluest Eye. It carries 18 marks. The second, The Bluest Eye, novel itself, it carries 18 marks. Third, a study of the writer Eugene O'Neill, The Harry Ebb, it carries 70 marks. And the fourth, The Harry Ebb itself, 70 marks. Now total 70 marks of the university exam, and 30 marks you will achieve in the college evaluation, 15 from the test, 10 from the assignment, 5 from the seminar. There are also some reference books given for additional reading. Look at that books here. Next paper for the student of main English is Communication Skill 1, where you can see the prescribed text, 15 ways to improve your presentation skills in English by Bob Dinan by Black Swan, 2017. English and Soft Skill by S.P. Denwell by Orient Black Swan here. Total marks of the paper 100. There are 4 units given by the university. In one unit you can see the topics, 15 ways to improve your presentation skill in English. It is all about planning, structuring, making a good start. Second, engaging international audiences, developing a range of styles. This unit carries 18 marks total. And second unit also 15 ways to improve your presentation skill in English, in which you can see it is not only words, non-verbal communication, multimedia visuals, closing and handling questions and advice for key presentation context, presentation language. These all are you have to study in second unit. Second unit carries 18 marks. In the third unit you can see English and soft skills, in which listening skill, teamwork skill, emotional intelligence skills, adaptability skills, non-verbal communication skills, it carries 17 marks. In the fourth, English and soft skills, assertive skills, learning skills, problem solving skills, interview skills, and writing communication skill, it carries 70 marks. Now total 70 marks you will achieve in the university examination, and once again 30 marks will be given in the college in internal evaluation, 15 from the test, 10 from the assignment, and 5 from the seminar. Here there are also some reference book given by the university. The next paper for the main English student is A Literary Theory and criticism. You can see the title of the paper here. Prescribed text, literary criticism, a reading B. Das and J.M. Mohanty by Oxford University Press. There are also 4 units given by the university. In the first unit you can see a preface to the plays of Shakespeare by S. Johnson. It carries 18 marks. In second unit is a function of criticism at the present time by Matthew Arnold, 18 marks. Third unit, the function of criticism by T.S. Eliot, it carries 70 marks. And fourth unit, the nature of criticism by Herbert Reed and literary criticism and philosophy by F.R. Lewis. Lewis, it's 70 marks. Now total 70 marks of the university exam and 30 marks will be given in the college internal evaluation. 15 marks test, 10 marks assignment and 5 marks seminar. Now next paper for the main English student is a study of English language and phonetics. Here you have to study the language, also a science of language. Prescribed text, an outline history of the English language by F.T. Wood. And second text is a textbook of English phonetics for Indian students, T. Bal Subramaniam by Macmillan Publications. Total marks of the paper 100. There are also 4 units given in the paper. First unit you can see an outline history of English language. There are 2 major topics. The origin of language means how the language origin in India as well as in the world. Second, the descent of the English language. It carries total 18 marks. In the second unit you can see the textbook of English phonetics, the airstream of mechanism, in which you have to study how the particular organs or how the air comes from that organs by air. And second, the organs of speech. This unit carries 18 marks. In the third unit you can see a textbook of English phonetics, the classification and description of speech sound consonants, the classification and description of speech sound vowels. This unit carries 70 marks. In the fourth unit you can see a textbook of English phonetics, where you can see phonology means the science of phoneme and the syllable. This unit carries 70 marks. Now total 70 marks you will achieve in the university examination and 30 marks will be given in the college internal evaluation. 15 marks in the test, 10 marks when you will submit the assignment and 5 marks in the seminar. Now look at the next paper. Okay, sorry, now your syllabus of semester 5 is finished here. One more time I would like to request to all the students, please write down this syllabus in the notebook so you can easily operate whenever you need. Okay, thank you.